recording has started.
Yep. Still raining slightly, but the sun's out. That's cool. Oh, I had a terrible start. Some guy had an even worse start, Jesus.
I'm scared about this braking because
I know.
um,
Actually, this group kept it together really well, surprisingly.
except for
Oh,
this
that
guy,
guy's
he's
spinning out.
spinning out. Oh, he went in
He has
ghost
the
just in
same,
time.
yeah, he had the same skin as another Corvette.
No wonder he spun out.
Yeah. I'm just gonna take the far side over here.
It's like I don't know if it's like this track though or what, but it's like yeah, obviously you always have less grip and different things when it's raining, but I feel like this is like the worst it's ever been for like
Yeah.
a raining race. I don't normally feel like I'm like this much slower and like on edge for like grip.
Oh man, this guy behind me, he's not trying to spin me out, but he keeps bumping into me.
Yeah.
It's so easy to pass people when you expect them to go too far into a turn, and then you just brake early and pass in front of them.
Yeah.
Take the
That's my
inside.
favorite way.
Yeah, it looks really
But
cool
when
when
they
you
always
pull
take
that
the
off too.
inside, then it's like I gotta like try to take the outside to get past them, and I sometimes I just don't, and then that guy just
Yeah,
straight up went off to the right. I don't know
I
what he
saw
was
that.
doing.
Yeah, I don't know what happened there.
Coming in behind triple bump. Oh, I'm like right at the back of like the pack of
Yeah, I
this
see that up
split.
there. I'm in 12th right now.
Oh crap. Okay, I'm good. I almost didn't break in time for that. Okay. Well, I've officially caught up with the back of this pack here now. Now the question is can I pass them without, killing myself or others?
Yeah, right. This Acura in front of me, slowing me down. Oh, this Corvette used me to brake. That's shitty.
Badly though, or as in like you got screwed over, or like you
No,
did
like
good.
he bumped me and then got a better turn than I did because of
Uh,
it. Save it, save it. Alright. I almost got spun out. Oh, no, the guy almost spun me out. I actually got spun out. Nope. Nope. Stop. Bro, stop. And I'm off the track.
I'm doing good. I'm still steadily catching up. So, oh, these guys kind of went a little bit wide, and I followed them a bit, although not as badly. Oh, well, I passed one guy, but then another guy passed me, so back in the same spot. Oh, dang it. on. Oh, I got a 0.1 second penalty. Unfortunate.
Uh-oh.
Could be worse though, so
Yeah.
it's like the lowest penalty possible. Oh, and I just passed the guy. Let's go. Oh, I almost passed this other guy.
I'm racing behind 2 other Corvettes, which is why I'm not gaining any spots. All 3 of us are driving this exactly the same.
Now this is like a really good race for me. It's like everyone, well, lots of the people like seem to be close to my skill level. That I'm like in this group here, at least up to 7, and then the guys right in front, 6 and 5. I mean, they don't really look like they're pulling away too much. They have a gap in front of me, but it looks like I might be passing this Corvette too. So we'll see if I can catch the next group. But I think if I drive right, I think I can, possibly. Oops.
I just set a 206. Not bad.
Dang it. Corvette passed me
My lap
again.
times are getting faster. My lap times are getting faster. Jesus. And I'm catching up to these 2.
Alright, there we go. I passed the Corvette again. Oh, what? Not even a 1.3 second penalty for like literally nothing. I don't know. Which is nonsense.
Uh-oh.
Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. I totally messed that up. Oh man. Well, the Corvette fell way back, so I'd actually lose my spot to him, surprisingly, despite making that mistake.
Getting like right on both of these guys.
Dude, I don't know. This current lap that I am doing, despite what seemed like a massive mistake, I think it's still better than my last lap, so... Well, I guess no one's in front of me, that might be why. I'm not getting slowed down. That's a very good sign, though.
Yeah.
Alright, one guy went to pit.
I mean, my tires are still fine.
Yeah, same.
Wet
But,
tires last a
I
long
mean-
time. It's actually wet. I will have to pit, but like, I got a while to go.
But I guess at the same time, as long as you're sure you're gonna make it, like it's not like you're gonna be putting on softs, I guess. So I guess it's perfectly
Yeah.
fine to pit now if you want.
Yeah, that's true. I think I'll pit this next lap.
Yeah, same. Dang, I was catching up, and I think I might have made mistakes. This guy seems like he got really.
I
far
mean, I
ahead
could
all of a
wait and
sudden.
pit when these 2 Corvettes do, but it's not like we're fighting for legitimate position. I mean,
Oh, I went off the track.
it's 11, 12, and 13 for 3 Corvettes, so... And we're all racing very similar times. Like, a couple of these turns I got these guys, but they're good on everything else.
Oh my god! Now I'm making a bunch of mistakes. Oh man, I got passed up. I'm way back here now. Dang it!
Oh man, I did
Oh
that
my God.
turn really well. Still negative though.
I don't know. I don't know if it's. I mean, my tires are white. I don't know if I'm just
Oh,
actually
someone spun
driving
out.
worse, or if it's actually that the tires are just feeling worse. I don't know.
There must have been a spin out in front of me.
I lost 2 point something seconds. Oh, and I might be losing more because I'm taking this bad. Alright, not, could have been worse, but definitely not good. I'm gonna go pit now.
Yep. Yeah, my whole group is pitting too.
Ooh. Dang it, I came out of the pits and I hit the reverse
Oh my
turn
god.
too much.
Someone came out of the pits in front of us and spun himself out.
Yeah, I think I can feel the more.
I
Oh,
just feel
you
like these
kidding
tires
me? I
are
got
worse.
another freaking penalty, man. Like I'm getting like penalties for like slightly going like outside the track on like a turn that's like, and not even like the full car.
Ah,
It's like something where it's like completely not competitive
yeah.
in any way, but they keep giving me penalties for it.
Damn, this is a tough race back here. 3 Corvettes, I've like fully caught up to these two guys. But like I'm not about to spin a guy out. So I gotta just get him on a turn or something. Back up here, this is my best turn. I might be able to get one of them.
Good.
Damn. No, I shouldn't have hit the brakes there. Oh man, don't spin that guy out. Oh man, this is literally like 4 Corvettes now. The 4th guy just came out of the pits. Oh man, this is insane. Fuck. Yeah, good, no penalty. The love tap.
Oh, someone wiped out over here. Got a position from that.
Oh my god. I almost got spun out, but I saved it. That was a really good save. scare the shit out of me.
If I can catch up to this guy in front of me by the end of the race, I'll be really happy.
This group of Corvettes has separated quite a bit.
Oh, he messed up that turn. I slightly messed up the exit, but now I'm right on him. But a Porsche came out of nowhere, and he's right on me now. Dang it.
It's a solid Corvette pack at the end of this field. It's really cool.
This Porsche messed up everything. Ah.
Yeah, it's always like towards the end of the race, you feel like you're doing well, and then a Porsche just appears out of nowhere.
Alright, well there's still a chance I can pass this Ferrari that's in front of me. And then, if I do pass him, then I can worry about trying to pass the Porsche after.
Yeah, right.
Oh no! Oh, I almost spun the dude out.
Oh man, this guy's right on me. Oh, I'm too far up.
Dang. He just gets so much speed on the straight though.
Yeah, that's the Ferrari.
Too bad he
Oh my god.
he overshot it a little bit.
This guy's right on me. I just gave up my spot. I'm like, this dude's gonna wreck me.
Passed him.
And besides,
Still,
he has
the
more.
Ferrari,
He has penalty time, so.
the Ferrari's fast enough though that he could pass me on the straight at the end, even if I don't mess up. However, I also noticed that he has 8 seconds of penalty, so
8 seconds. Damn.
Yeah, I don't think I have to worry about it.
Yeah. Yeah, like both guys in front of me, I let 2 Corvettes pass me, the yellow one behind me, and then there's another one that I was always behind. They both have several seconds, so if I just finish close enough behind them, which right now I am, I'll get both of their spots.
Looks like
Oh, he went in with way too much speed. Saved it though, wow.
alrighty. I got 7th place.
It's not bad. Oh, these guys got better launches off the turn than I did.
Yeah, I had a 24-second time for best lap. The guy in front of me
Hopefully I got
was
an
an Acura.
P10. Yes, I did. I beat those guys at the end.
Nice.
Because they had penalties. Nice.
That was good.
We might have been the last group in that race. The pack that I was with. Man, that was good. That was a
Yeah,
solid like 10 minutes of just Corvette racing. Probably more than that.
that was a really good
But I
race for me
just couldn't
too.
beat
Like
those guys. Yeah.
I can't remember what I already forget what spot I started, but
I think you gained
um
like 6 spots or something like that.
yeah, 6. So I don't know, I probably gained like 2 spots. I don't know, most of the spots I gained were like gradual. I think
Yeah.
I maybe got 2 spots right off the bat maybe, and then the rest were like gradual. And then I was like basically in seventh like the entire time, but like I was going back and forth, and different things were happening with pitting and different things, and
Yeah.